When we understand who God actually is versus maybe what we heard in the past in terms of the scriptures, like a vengeful God, a jealous God, and so forth, when we understand that God is a soul just like me, but God doesn't take birth and rebirth. God doesn't have a human experience like us. So he has this kind of unlimited consciousness. And his unlimited consciousness, it's not a he, because he doesn't have a body, he's not a he or a she, but that soul, that unlimited consciousness is connected to us in a very subtle way. And because we're also souls, we have the same kind of nature as God. God is benevolent, peaceful, loving, generous, wise, pure, right? We have that too.